Alliance and Congress missed out on. They identified some problems. It got the Prime Minister rattled, so he started going on mutton, machli, magal, but they couldn't give the solution.
And that's the cardinal sin that they made. Once again, targeting Narendra Modi, and once again, it's backfired on them. 1 minute. Let me get
Please, can I come in here? Sanjay, you see, I think Sanjay blurted it out through hook or by crook that you clutching at straws, and that is what a drowning man does. Tehseen also is not an exception there. They thought they will target Narendra Modi because the public will be given this क्या कहते हैं उसको घुट्टी Mugli Ghutti that Modi is corrupt, Modi is a dictator, Modi is doing all the wrong things that they are accusing Modi of doing without realizing that the opposition is also governing 17, 18 odd states where each head of that state is doing even more in terms of dictatorship, in terms of corruption that they are accusing Modi of. ये इनकी समझ में क्यों नहीं आया?
And in Maharashtra, no, let me also say this. In Maharashtra, where Modi and party were seen as supporting the corrupt, there Ajit Pawar is not doing well.
But
Ajit Pawar is not doing well, and therefore it's also hurting the NDA. हर्षवर्धन त्रिपाठी जी, तो ये बहुत क्लियर है.
देखिए नविका जी, दो बातें लोगों को बहुत ध्यान में आनी चाहिए. पहली बात तो ये कि राहुल गांधी के पास, उनकी टीम के पास कोई विजन नहीं है. न्याय 72,000 पर पहले कर रहे थे, अब 1 लाख खटाखट दे रहे हैं. यही है, अगली बार हारेंगे तो नेक्स्ट असेंबली इलेक्शन में 1.5 लाख हो जाएगा. यानी कोई विजन नहीं. दूसरा, फर्स्ट टाइम ये इंडियन पॉलिटिकल हिस्ट्री में हो रहा है कि किसके ऊपर आरोप है? करप्शन के आरोप विपक्ष पर लग रहे हैं. हमेशा अपोजिशन जो गवर्नमेंट में होता है, जो पावर में होता है, उसके खिलाफ लड़ाई लड़ते हैं. और आप देख लीजिए, जो लोग कहते हैं ना कि 77 का इलेक्शन, जो लोग कहते हैं उसके पहले का इलेक्शन, हर वक्त वीपी सिंह का इलेक्शन, जो बोफोर्स का, हर बार सरकार के ऊपर आरोप लगे. ये पहला चुनाव है जिसमें पूरा अपोजिशन, पूरी अपोजिशन लीडरशिप वो करप्शन के बहुत सीरियस चार्जेस में है और जेल में भी जा रही है. तो जनता ये भी देख रही है.
wants to rebut this, and in the meantime, I'm also putting out the Super 28, the seats that are closely contested, and these 28 seats, one way or another, if they shift, things could change. Look at those seats closely, but Sanjay Jha, respond.
नहीं, सबसे पहले तो I want to make a point here that the electoral bond, irrespective, I would love to see whether it made an impact or not. Clearly it didn't, but I have to call it as the biggest scam since 1947, and it was against the government on criminality, corruption and crony capitalism.
But you were in it. You were in it.
Yeah, fair enough. No.
You were in it.
No, we were not having the investigating agencies.
You were in it. 2,000 crores went to you.
We did not have the investigating agencies. No quid pro quo. No quid pro quo. But Navika,
from electoral bond.
Navika, just one point.
Agencies, nor you had
Okay, all right. One more point. What's your point?
My point is, you mentioned that is democracy in danger? Is the constitution under threat? Has it become irrelevant? My simple answer to you will be, even if the exit poll holds and the opposition India Alliance gets only 150 seats, there are 150 elected MPs representing people who do say that India's democracy is
Sure. So,
One second.
No, I insist.
1 minute.
I insist before Anand. I insist, Anand. This time I take
Okay, we have a minute on this.
I insist to say that, this moral victory can be found when Jan Samarthan is not coming, you find moral victory. Today, the question should be that after 10 years, nowhere in the history of the world are you seeing that the 10th year ke baad, the mandate is even bigger than the previous mandate.
Absolutely.
Instead of focusing on what's going wrong in your duty as an opposition, you are saying we've got 120 seats.
I just want to make one point, Navika. You also said about ED and all. Of course, the ED is only after opposition figures. Show me the ED case against the BJP. That's a factual thing. I just want to correct that.
Supreme Court is open there, and it has said ED is not doing any of that. No. Supreme Court electoral bond pe theek, Chandigarh mein theek.
Data dekh lo yaar. Sab parties.
Madam, data
let me now pull out the numbers, the strike rate for Samajwadi Party, and the strike rate is 16.17%. अनुराग भदौरिया जी, इस स्ट्राइक रेट से तो दिक्कत है ना, कैसे जीतेंगे चुनाव?
कोई दिक्कत नहीं. आपको दिक्कत है चूंकि आपका चूंकि बीजेपी का एग्जिट पोल है. आप देखेंगे जब 4 तारीख को तो आपको
मोदी मीडिया पोल।
जनता का वोट आपको दिखाई देगा और समाजवादी पार्टी की सीट दिखाई देगी। अब समाजवादी पार्टी जीत रही है और समाजवादी पार्टी मुद्दों पे जीत रही है, और जो जनता के मुद्दे उस पे समाजवादी ने चुनाव लड़ा है, इसलिए समाजवादी उत्तर प्रदेश में जीत रही है। और आपको 4 तारीख को इसका एहसास हो जाएगा। हो सकता है 2 दिन के लिए आपको अच्छा लग रहा हो, स्क्रीन पे भी अच्छा लग रहा हो, सुनने में भी अच्छा लग रहा हो।
चलिए तो
लेकिन
वादा
ऐसा है
कीजिए
नहीं।
4 तारीख को आप आएंगे जरूर, और फिर
अरे
मैं
हम तो
आपकी चिंता
आएंगे।
करूंगी या आप
हम तो
मेरी चिंता करेंगे, हम दोनों तय कर लेंगे। आनंद रंगनाथन।
Navika, Congress and the SP are like the blind and the deaf going to watch the sound and sight show.
Well,
मन में ही सब लाइट एंड साउंड मन में ही है इनके।
No,
Light and
I
sound
only
मन में ही
want to
चल रहे
say,
हैं।
I only want to say, ladies and gentlemen, you've seen the numbers, you've seen the direction of all the polls. I'm not saying anything different from what others are saying unless all of us are reading the direction of the winds that are blowing. And only the India Alliance parties understand it better than us. Well, can be true, I don't know. But at the moment, I'm finding it extremely strange that in this scorching heat and Delhi summer, where there is a water crisis in the capital city of the country, the chief minister is on his way to jails. We're talking about drowning and clutching at straws. भैया पानी नहीं है, ड्राउन कहाँ हो रहे हैं ये तो बता दीजिए।